YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a Chanel unboxing, plus an update on the sweater pants that I got from Express. I showed you the really cute hooded sweater the other day when I did my little mini Express haul, and I got it in this color as well as the cream color, which is currently in the wash. But I had gotten the sweater pants to match, and they're like a high-waisted fitted sweater pant. And they came and there was a hole in the bag. And so the cream pair had like a big black mark on it. The gray pair was humongous. I always wear Express in the size medium. And so I ordered a medium. And the sweater worked out fine. It's definitely oversized, but the sleeves are just about right, if not on the tiniest bit of the short side. But I wouldn't want to get the small because I'm afraid that the sleeves would definitely be too short, and the oversized look is nice because it covers up my butt and my upper thighs. So I really wanted the pants, and I didn't want the ones I got because one of them was damaged and the other one, the gray pair in the size medium, was huge. The cream pair was a little big. So I ended up exchanging them for the small, or rather I just reordered them and returned the ones that didn't work. And I'm happy to report that the size small fits perfectly. And again, I'm always a medium at Express, but in this case, these run truly big. And so I was a small. And now these are very fitted and they don't go all the way to my ankles. So if I did want to wear the whole set outside, I would probably wear a mid-calf boot. Like, for example, my UGG boots. That is all I have to say about that. I can link these Express items down in the description box. I just ordered another Express item this morning. They're having a 40% off sale. And then they have coupons out there. If you do get coupons in the mail from Express, you might check because the extra 10% off works on the 40% off items, which is a nice little perk. Now, what's in this box you've never seen before, but it is a variation of something I've showed you already. If I don't have you perplexed, then I don't know, I'm doing something wrong. I opened this up because I wanted to take a peek, and as soon as I did, I'll show you what happened. It basically fell open, and it did so in such an incredible way. I had to just tape it and then hold out until I had time to do the video. So it's been sitting here for like 18 hours, driving me crazy because I want to look at it, but I made myself wait for you. So watch this. This is so cool. First of all, the outside of the box, it says nothing about Chanel on it. And so that's part of the reason why I wanted to peek, just to see what it was, because what's the point of doing an unboxing if I don't know what it is? Although I guess it could be fun to have it be a surprise for both you and me, but that's not what I did. So you open it up and you see it says Chanel. So my first gift set I got from Macy's, and this is, I just ruined it, but this is a holiday gift set. My first one I got from Macy's. Chanel put out 2 additional sets for Black Friday, and if you go to their website, I have found recently, like when I ordered and then also since then, that if you click on the men's grooming set, the men's grooming gift set, and I can put the link down below, but right when you get to the page, it will say add to cart, and it doesn't do it all the time, but sometimes it does. And if you can click add to cart before that goes away, then you're golden. And that's what I did. I just kept clicking on it. Like I tried it with Safari and I tried it with Chrome, and I was actually able, I think it was yesterday or the day before, to add 2 of them to cart, and I didn't buy them because I had this one coming. So look at this. The box, literally, when you open that one little seam, it falls open. And then inside, you have this beautifully wrapped box with a ribbon on it. And I'm excited to have this Chanel ribbon because I'm going to use it to decorate something here in my closet. I have the receipt right here. One cool thing about getting it directly from Chanel is you do get samples. So I got to pick out 2 samples of my choosing. You can see the back of the ribbon here is sealed. I wonder if I can just slide it off and keep it sealed. They did glue it to the box or double tape it or something. Nah, I can't keep it sealed, but isn't that the prettiest ribbon? I'll probably put it in my display case and just decorate my display case a little bit. Or maybe I'll weave it through this Christmas decoration that I have back here. That could be really pretty, although it will block some of the lights. But it's just so shimmery. Very nice. I'm excited about the ribbon. So there are advantages to ordering these sets directly from Chanel if you can. And I haven't seen much lately in terms of these sets being available. There are a couple of YouTubers that are really good about posting them. Laura Posse, I don't know if I'm saying her name right, but Posse. She posts when she finds them available, and then also A Heated Mess does. And I posted when I found my original set available, but I haven't really posted since, other than the links I put in my video, but they haven't worked since that video went up. So look, it's got a little Chanel seal right there. So you know I haven't opened this because I'm breaking the seal. It has the cutest packaging. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, so here are my samples. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cool. Like, I get a little Chanel dust bag. So I picked 2 samples. That's what they let you pick. I picked a serum, which is right here. And then I also picked a mascara. And I have never used Chanel mascara, so it will definitely be a good trial for me. It comes in this little tiny tube, and I imagine it'll actually probably last a while, but it has a nice little applicator. The only mascara I have found that doesn't end up below my eyes super bad is by Lancome. I got some Estée Lauder stuff the other day in that big bin that I showed you, and I have tried it and it goes on great. I've always had it go on great, but then I end up with raccoon eyes later in the day, mostly overnight because I don't wash my face at night. I know that's terrible, but yeah, it doesn't stay on great. So I'm excited to try this Chanel one because if it stays on great, it is worth the money in my book. So I've got my little Chanel gift bag. I'm going to put that to the side with the ribbon. Then I've got all the confetti. And of course, the other thing is this is my first Chanel box. So I'll be keeping that, and I'll be keeping this holiday gift set box as well. So this is what the holiday gift set box looked like when I got it from Macy's. And I didn't keep that packaging. And in fact, let me just give you an update. I did end up selling that little bag that I created, the DIY one. It's funny, one of my viewers wrote to me, and she knew me so well. She said, I know that it's going to bother you that your little D-rings are off center. So when you're ready to sell that little camera bag, you let me know and I will buy it. So I got to thinking, I'm like, well, maybe I'll do that. And so I had to find another one before I was willing to sell to her. And I did the whole refresh thing on the Chanel website, and I got this one. This is a little bit different than the one I had before, because it's a men's item. There were 2 options. There was one with a women's cologne and there was one with a men's cologne, and they both came with a lip balm, although the men's lip balm doesn't come in quite as pretty of packaging as the women's lip balm. So let me go ahead and slide this out. Ta-da! So like I said, you've seen this before, nothing new. Looks like it has a little dent in it. That'll come out. Yeah, it came out. So it's got the little stickers on the front that say Chanel. It's kind of blowing it out. It's the shimmery tweed. It almost has like a rosy tone. It's definitely a brushed finish on the hardware. And it looks really good with those D-rings that I had bought off Amazon. So I have some more of those on the way. Then on the inside, it comes with the 2 products, and then it's just lined in the nylon. So I'm definitely going to make a little bag out of this one. Now in this one, I'm going to try something different. I'm going to go ahead and put my Prada Re-Edition organizer in this that I showed you when I did the DIY. But see, look, so that smooths out everything. I mean, I guess there's still a little bit of rippling there. I might steam that, although I don't want to make the letters fall off. I wonder why it's doing that. You know me, I'm a Miss Perfectionist, so maybe I shouldn't have sold the one I sold. Oh well. I'm sure that will smooth out. I might be able to iron it. I might try that. But anyway, so I've got the organizer in it. It's got structure now. The D-rings come later today. And I think I might try popping them on here and here, kind of like some of the crossbodies do. A lot of people don't like doing that because they lay wonky, but I think I might like that better because I think I can get them centered. And if I don't, it won't be as noticeable because it won't be right below the zipper. And it also might prevent tipping. I mean, once you get it on your body and you lay it against your body, the fabric kind of clings to you, so it doesn't tend to tip. I only wore it for pictures, the other one, so I can't speak to that completely, but you did see when I showed it to you on the camera that it flipped over and I didn't even realize it. And then I'm like, oh, it is upside down. So anyway, that is that, but I haven't gotten to the products yet. So let's get to the products. So one of the products in the women's was a cologne or a perfume, like I said, and then this is a perfume for the men's. And I am super sensitive and cannot wear cologne or perfume. I can't smell it at all because it hasn't been sprayed, but my husband and my kids wear it and it doesn't bother me when it's on them. And so I figured, actually, even though I would have preferred the women's lip balm, it's probably better that I got this instead. This is a 0.7 ounce, and online, if you buy it from Chanel, this blue parfum is, and I'm probably saying that wrong, but it is $135 and you get 3.7 milliliters and it's refillable. So this is just basically the canister plus one of the refills is already inside. And so if you buy the set of 3, it's $135. So I would say the value of this is around 40 or 45, maybe 50 tops, since it has the outer packaging. And if you do end up buying the set of 3, you get the outer packaging again, but you are going to end up paying just a little more if you were to buy this by I'm shaking. If you were to buy this by itself, you would probably end up paying a little bit more just because you do have the atomizer or whatever. I don't know about cologne. Winnie B, I need you to educate me. I'm going to go ahead and spritz this on myself so I can smell it. And oh my gosh, I got that mascara all over me. Oh no. I may have to pause this video and go clean up. I'll be right back. Okay, well that was a mess. I don't know exactly how that happened. I think when I put the wand back into the holder, I must have drug along the edge and there was enough of the mascara on the wand that it probably kind of puddled up. And when I closed it, it got on me and it got on the serum and it didn't really get on the inside of the bag. I'm not sure how that happened. I'm talking about the inside of the little black pouch that I had. And I didn't get it on my clothes, I don't think. And I didn't get it on the little Chanel camera bag that I'm going to create. So hallelujah, because I'm sort of worried about that. But I do have this. I'm going to test it right now. Let's see. I do like it. I mean, it would bother the heck out of me to wear this, and it's definitely a masculine scent, but I think a woman could pull it off. I just wouldn't want to, but I think either my husband will like it or my kids will like it, and that's kind of a special little treat. I may use it as a Christmas present, or I may just give it to hubby just because. But what I'm excited about is what's in this. So the 2 items I wanted, of course, are the bag and then also the balm. So you can see it comes with a little lip balm or chapstick. I wonder if it has a scent. No scent. So I think it's really about the same thing as the women's one, but it's definitely more compact. So this may be better if you were using a small bag than the chunkier women's version. Let me grab that so I can show you the difference. So here is the women's version versus the men's version. You can see the women's version is definitely chunkier because it has a square shape and it's just bigger. Like pretty much the outline around the C's on the women's version is almost the size of the blue men's version. What is also interesting is the applicator is at an angle for the women's version, probably because we apply it like this. But if you ever watch your husband apply chapstick, they do it like head on. So it's flat. And so they have it ergonomically designed more for men. But of course, when you buy chapstick as a woman, all of them are designed like this. So We get special treatment from Chanel as women, and the men get treated like everybody does. So that is the end of this video. I'm going to make this into a bag just like I did with the other one. I hope you've enjoyed this and found it helpful. And don't forget, I put the links down in the description box. So if you want to try to get this, just remember, you got to click fast on the add to cart, and I will also link those express sweaters down there too. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.